Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday, happy New Year, happy everything. Hope everyone's had a great holiday season and ready for a great year. I don't know if there's anybody here besides me. Maybe everyone gave up on me because I didn't start streaming last week. Anywho, I remember how to do this. There we go. Overnight, had quite the rise up. Yes, 59.80 all the way up to 64. Holy crap, really? 60-point range on ES. How big is NQ? 482 up to 760. Almost 300 points. Wow. Copper had a beautiful rise up. It's still rising. Ultra Bond pulling back. Gold, nice rise up. Pulls back. It's like 27 points in range. Crude oil pulling back a little bit now after getting up into the close to 75. Wow, when last we were here, oil was just hanging below 70, so it's had a good run. Natural gas pulling back. Highest it's been in a long time now. And of course, Bitcoin still doing its thing. Almost hit 100K again. Pulled back a little bit. Looks like it was 100K overnight. No, didn't quite touch it. Morning, Greg. Good to see you. How are you today? The discount snapshot should return tomorrow. We thought about doing it last night for today, and then I realized that uh, all the graphics still were Christmas graphics. So that was an issue. That said, the stream itself might have some Christmas graphics still on. I think the who the like button's still Christmas. Didn't get as much done over the holiday break as I planned to, but that's okay. So I've come in with a adjusted strategy, and I hope will serve me well. Oh, yeah, news today. News. But remember, we have another break on Thursday for the National Day of Mourning for former President Jimmy Carter. News today we have Fed speaker at 9:15, U.S. S&P Services PMI final at 9:45, and U.S. factory orders at 10. How's everybody doing out there? Morning, Chris. My time off was pretty good. Didn't get as much done as I had hoped, but that's okay. Could do some relaxing and chilling out. How was your holiday season? Hey, Hassan, how you doing? Anybody, did you trade it all over the holiday break? Yeah, I've made some adjustments on my charts, Hassan. Morning, CVR. How are you? Choppy on the lines right now. Yeah, honestly, yeah, the market moved really well over the break. It'd been nice if it had let me know it was going to do that. I could have done some streaming if I wanted to, but like last year, it didn't do that. I did do some trading last week on Thursday and Friday on the Tradify account, which is what I'm on now. Well, actually, I shouldn't say that. I need to actually be on it. I swear I logged in last night, and last week I took 9 trades and I won 8 of them for a little over $1,000 in gain. Pulls down, comes down to the bands. You will get them to pay out. Positivity here in the new year. We dip down into the bands. Let's see if we bounce. Still falling. Not afraid of falling. Still grinding here. 724. Still falling. Gotta change that bow and ox nightbot. Gotta fire the person in charge of that. Gotta change the MMFU too. My God. Hello, James. Hey, JC, how you doing? Doing all right. Doing all right. JC, did you see that I got a couple people? Well, I shouted out your idea. I got a couple people committing to do it about posting up their costs and stuff for the year. Yeah, as they're going along. We're long here off that tiny little green candle, but I don't think it's gonna work. That was probably we'll see. That was dumb. Maybe. Hi, Crypticon. Thank you for that. How are you doing, Crypt? There we go. That's what I wanted. Look at that. Come on up. Good morning, Amelia. Nice to see you. How are you doing? Go ahead, Crypt. What's your questions? Wow, got within a tick or two of my target and then pulled back. Yeah, 2 ticks from my target and then pulled back. Good to see you. Hope you'll be able to stay longer tomorrow, Amelia. Doesn't seem to want to get higher here. Dang it, back down to my entry. Nope. Yes, script. That's correct. Yeah. What does your profit goal say? I'm out. That was bad trade management on my part. It might still go, but that's okay. What account do you have, Crypt? Shouldn't allow myself to get shaken out there. That was my stupidity. Yeah, look at that. Dang it. Well, that would explain it. But yeah, you have to get the 9,000 bucks. Don't Okay, so Crypt, don't put pressure on yourself because then you'll end up going backwards. Slow and steady. Just because you can get a payout in 10 days doesn't mean you have to. It be better even if it takes 20 days. Be better getting a payout in 20 days than blowing it because you're trying to get it in 11 days. Think how good it'll feel to get that 9K or whatever, even if you have to work a month for it. Yeah, allowed that to shake me out. It would have actually stopped me out there anyway. So now we're moving up, and I should have taken this one right here. That was yeah. Morning, Speed Racer. Nice to see you. Yeah. Yeah, Crypt, I think you did. We're actually going to start a project about payout policies so people can easily reference them. Yeah, I agree, Amelia. Struggling to go higher here. Can it take us higher? Uh, Thanks, Amelia. Have a great day. CryptoClown, good question. I'm starting to get all these things jumbled in my head, especially since they keep moving. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you have to keep the buffer. But I honestly, I don't remember. I would have to look. Still rising. Winter's definitely arrived here in central Illinois. Got over 6 inches of snow out there. I don't know how much exactly. And got some massive cold heading in after that. Well, rising up. It's our high day, 760. So about 20 points off high. About an hour to the bell. We're supposed to get down to like 1 degree tomorrow night. Wind chills could go to like negative 20. Ooh, look at that pop. Yeah, 20% on their direct to funded, 30 or 40, I forget, on their evals, I mean, on their regular accounts. Short. Boom. There we go. Target hit, 10 points. It was like 2 or 3 seconds. 8 seconds. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. So we're up 133. Looking to get about $600 a day on this Tradify account, but won't force it. Morning, John. Congratulations to your Lions. How was your holiday? Who are you a fan of, JC? It was good. Didn't get as much done as I'd hoped, but it was good. Ah, okay. Eagles face the Packers Sunday. As long as Hurts gets out of concussion protocol, yeah, I agree, John. Good morning, Mr. G. Chilly in Florida, as I'm sitting under like 10 inches of snow and an 8-degree wind chill. I'm not actually literally sitting out in the snow, but Whoops. Yeah, we got like 10 inches. I don't have a view where I'm at. I have no, everything's covered. It's like the most snow we've gotten in years in one storm. JC, don't you usually head down to Florida for a little trip in the winter? See a crypt? Yeah, eggs are definitely expensive. I'm still eating my 6 a day. Shows you how wealthy I've become. No, I'm kidding. Officially went back to my carnivore way of eating today after eating like crap for the last 6 weeks or so. And I ordered my supplement stack yesterday as well. Need to get healthy this year. Finally got the financial part of my life pretty much straight. Now I need to get the health part done. Yeah, and Q looks like it wants to come down. Eh, I mean, yeah, gee, but you know, I've been trying to get there health wise for 30 years, so I need to do something. I really want to get down to my original weight, but people are telling me that 6 pounds, 8 ounces isn't realistic. Yeah, now that I'm back on carnivore, dude, I can't say I avoid dairy. I have couple of pieces of cheese with my eggs. Uh, John, I don't know. Were we here when the Phillies signed Kepler? Kepler and Joe Ross, pitcher Joe Ross. Still falling. Should have taken one of these two purple candles, obviously. No, no, it's not. Bohm's not a free agent. He's just eligible for arbitration. He hasn't been traded or anything. Nice pop here. 10-point candle. Ooh, big pop. I love it when you call me Big Pop. Big. Sorry. Broke through the 9, but touches the 20, sniffs the 20, and doesn't like it. Does not like the smell of the 20 EMA. Pulls back a bit. I hate it here. Did not take the trade. Watch it work. Keep it in my memory banks if it works. It's working. Work it, work it. Hey, didn't really go far. Went about 6 points. Let's see if it continues. We have about 45 minutes till the bell. Let's see if Ace and RJ come in soon or if they decide to find a different stream. Interested in this blue candle. Look at that. Taking the long. It's our ATR. It's 8. Come on. I'll take 8 points. Struggling at 735. You'd see it kind of hemmed and hauled in this area as it was coming down. Losing my patience with it. See you, JC. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. There it goes. Come on. Ah, right back down, right back up. I'll take it there for 4.5 points, 4 and 3/4. Nice. I'll take the win. It's might get go to where I wanted to, but I don't like the fact that it hung up here and that's where it came down earlier. So I bet you it goes to my original target, but we'll see. Yep, there it was. That was my original. Right there's my original. Yeah, would have went to my target. I should have been more patient. That's okay. We're up 222 now on the day. Got to 750 as we're about 5 minutes until the top of the hour. YM and ES both rose up there. Excuse me, sorry. Normally I mute before I cough. I didn't take it. Technically, it was a red candle I should have taken. But we'll see what it does. Morning, Robin. You mean to be on that account, or did you change names? How are you today on this wonderful Monday morning? Did not take that signal. I should have, as it's doing well. It's 8 degrees here at the wind chill, and they want it down to like 1 degree without the wind chill tonight. And we have 10 inches of snow. It is. I'm glad I don't have to go out in it. Popping back up here, top of the hour. So our first hour of the year is done. We end up two wins out of three trades, up about $222. Welcome again, Robin. Hey, USC, how are you? How are your holidays? Just remember that the routine gets broken again on Thursday. So we have no stream, no trading Thursday for the National Day of Mourning for former President Jimmy Carter. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday this week, and a full week next week, and then the week after we're off Monday again for Martin Luther King Day. Yep, good reminder, G. Got news 15 minutes after the bell. Seems like the week we weren't trading, or at least I wasn't trading, got kind of wild, though. Or the 2 weeks, really. Had some wild swings. Yep, last week was good. Those 2 days I traded. So far today's been good. See if we continue. I should have taken this, and I didn't. So I still got to get better at taking my setups. This has been another 10 points easy. And the signals are easy, and I just need to take them. Yep. Buy my course, just $1,000. Kidding. 3 to 5 things I've learned during the last year to improve my trading. Trust my setups, which I still haven't done. Like this here, I should have taken. Um, let's see. Um, Stop looking for reversals in big trends, and just be patient. One of my biggest mistakes is, we're in this deep, trend one way or the other, and I'm constantly looking for that place where it ends, and it smacks me every time. For the most part, I end up trying to use my trigger candle. So, like, if I had taken this trade here off this purple, my stop would have been at the top of that wick. It's about 10 points, not a little less than 10. And then, I want to go for at least 10, but I should go for 15 there. And you see, I would have got it. This one wouldn't have worked for that well, but if I had taken this trade right here, you can see my stop would have been really tiny. Well, I needed to be 3 points, and if I'm going for, I wouldn't have needed to go. I could have got my 10 there. But I also look at the ATR, and if it's huge, if I end up with a huge trigger, then if I'm fast enough, I'll switch to 5 micros instead, so I can use the bigger stop without taking much bigger risk. It's turn back time. Tio's not here, but turn back time. Well, let me look here. Oh yeah, right there. I bet you I can find something from Thursday. There we go. Thursday. So you see this big trend down here on Thursday. My idiot butt would have probably tried to take a right here. That one, that green candle right there. I would have probably tried to take that long, and I might have tried to take this long right there. And you can see, like, boom, boom. Wouldn't have taken that because of the wick. And then this blue candle, I definitely would have taken. So that would have been 3 stops. And then finally, it would have worked here. When really, I should have just taken this purple candle. And I didn't get involved in this trade, but taking this purple candle, wrote it out all the way down. Sideways now. Oh, I said that when I'm because I use it the trigger candle as my stop. So but if it's a big trigger candle, let's say if it's a 20 or 30 point candle, then I'll go down to micros, like 5 micros instead of using one mini. That way I can still I can use my trigger candles full stop, but without putting on extra risk. If I'm fast enough, that's not easy to do in a 1 minute chart to decide whether you want to do 5 minis or 1 micro or whatever. So moving averages, I just use moving averages. I use with trend trades, and the Bollinger stuff I use for reversal trades. What I'm using one mini USC, but we'll go down to 5 micros if I need to, or on a bigger risk trade. Hit your live button, Hassan. Good morning, Ace. How was your holiday season, my friend? Oh, last year, I mean, I don't know, probably less than 50% G. Last year was not a profitable year. That'll change this year. You're very welcome, Ace. Did K-pop like her hoodie? We're about 15 minutes from the bell. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Have you been trading at all, Ace? Or I was supposed to restart streaming last Thursday, and there was some other things going on and stuff. I just ended up postponing it till today. Ooh, whoosh. First whoosh of the year. Make sure you all journal that to remember the first whoosh. What the heck just happened? My God, that's a 60-point candle. 15 points on the ES. What, did I miss something? Oh wait, we have a Fed speaker speaking. Did he say something? The Fed can proceed more cautiously in cutting rates. And the Canadian Prime Minister tends to step down as the Liberal Party leader. I think it was from the Fed speaker, Ace. I think. But I do not know for sure. I want to know for sure. Sorry. I'm a little better, Robin. Thank you. But holy wowzers, wow. 100-point drop. 741 down to 641. Now here's the bounce. This wasn't news though, Ace. This is just, I think it was just the Fed speaker. I think. Either that or we just went to war with like Iran or something. Gee, I think it was a Fed speaker. Nice, Robin. Excellent. So here, USC is a place where I'm going to go 5 micros instead of a full mini. Ooh, and I'm immediately down. Ouch, 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 ouch. Do I have no stop? Uh-oh. No, I have no stop. And I'm going to take a huge loss here. Maybe. Not sure how I didn't put a stop on that. Oops. Come on, bounce back up for me. I don't think it's going to. Nope. Bouncing. Was bouncing. Do not try this at home. Awesome. I'm glad you love it, K-pop. Really glad. Merry belated Christmas. Get ready for school. No, that's a good observation. I'm out of that trade. It was a loss, but it wasn't as big of a loss as it could have been. That was that. It was decent trade management, but I should have got out when it was Hemming and Holland right there for lesser loss. Wow. But yeah, I was in at 701 and it dipped all the way down to 663. So I went 38 points. Yeah, in heat, which is something I never do. Now I was on 5 micros instead of 1 mini, so that was one of the reasons I allowed myself to do that. And it did come all the way back up to my entry at one point, touched my entry, and I could have got out there. I got out with a loss, but we're still green for the day. And here it goes. Look at that. I could have stayed in. I should have stayed in. I would be in profit now. Stay flat now until after the bell. So the better entry there would have been here, and I should have doubled down right there, and then I could have got went for my 10 or even 20 points and been fine. Rising back up. My tree's still up, and there might be a couple of Christmas things here yet on the stream. Like I think the gore the like button is still, and the Ace 2 minute is still here with the Christmas hat. I swear I changed that. I'll change it now. And I made a new graphic. Oh, nope, that doesn't work. I'll have to resize that later. And oh yeah, I haven't changed the bell back, so you're still going to hear jingle bells or whatever the Christmas bells are for the bell. Oops. Mind you to gore that like button. Another Christmas will be here before you know it. K-pop will grow and you'll have to buy her another hoodie. We will get rid of the Christmas bells tonight. That was a very muted open there. It's rising now. Ooh, look at that bounce on IQ after that move down. Wow, I should if I had stayed in that trade. Wow. I don't remember when RJ said he was supposed to be back. Maybe someone should go check Seth's room and make sure RJ's not over there. Still rising. This is our high day, 784. Hey, he's still trying to push up. Looks like it wants 800. Yeah, I thought it was supposed to be back. Thank you for that reminder, Mr. DeFore. She's taking the short. Oh, stopped out. Without, I didn't have a chance to move my stop. Ouch. Here it comes back down. Dang it. Oh, coming back up anyway. Yeah, absolutely. Listen to USC on that. I won't tell RJ that thinking of him made you think of trash. It did hit 800. Okay, apparently that huge move earlier was because the Washington Post put out a story that Trump was going to pare back his tariff policy, and now Trump has said that the Washington Post story is wrong. There's 800 again, 802. Big old blue candle. Still rising. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Don't take it short tonight. Wouldn't be right. I see NQ on the rise. Working on a parody of Luke Combs's "Ain't No Love in Oklahoma," titled "Ain't No Love in Trading NQ." Ain't no love in trading NQ. Just the sound of a long, hard stop. Purple candle. Big purple candle. It's 30 points. Ox don't like them that big. And we have news coming up in 5 seconds, so we're not even touching that purple. Wow, look at that bounce. Yeah, I should have taken that blue. Again, blue on the EMA, 9 EMA is a take. Still being too hesitant. That was a 20 point. That was a 20 point miss right there. That was stupid. Hey, Platt, good to see you. How was your holidays? Nice, ES. Very nice. I mean, USC. I called you ES. Wow. Maybe I have forgotten how to do this streaming thing. Great job, USC on ES. Be weird if ES was trading USC. See, is there a symbol USC in stocks? Oh, look at that. What the heck is that in futures? This is a NYMEX thing. USGC to China Platts Dirty Freight Futures. Its symbol is USC. Doesn't look like it has a lot of volume. I just said how is, wait, I don't think I said anything after, I don't think I said your name afterwards. Maybe I did. I don't know. Yeah, about that. USC futures. Looks like it gets a total volume of, let's see, oh, this day it had 50. Hasn't had any trades since the 13th of December. We got to figure out what the heck this is. I never heard of it before. Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know what that plots mean. So, yeah. Didn't even realize that. Right over my head. More news coming up at the top of the hour. U.S. factory orders. Dirty freight futures. So I don't know what this is. The floating price is equal to the arithmetic average of the high-low quotations from the Platts Dirty Tanker Wire under the heading America's Dirty Tankers, subheading Aframax and something else. The quote shall be quoted inclusive of the EU emissions trading system costs. Still got no clue what it is. Pulling back here. America's dirtiest futures. Dirty, dirty futures. Bounces right back up. Just kind of bouncing on the 9. There's a rise. There's a new high day. Wow. Big bounce. 840. Ooh, wow. Whoosh, coming back down. Watching. Struggling to get higher. Can it take us higher? We're gonna try a short here. Just dumb that I went full contract there, but we'll see. Oh, there we go. Come on, there we go. Boom. Oh yeah, 20 points, 814 and 794. Real quick. Back up by 245 now on the day. That trade lasted 9 seconds. Thank you, Ace. Bounced right back up. Top of the hour. Factory order news. Let's see if it pops or drops. Back down. Yeah, it's definitely quite the rise up, Hassan. Sitting on the 9. How's everybody else doing so far? Red, green, somewhere in between. Dow's really rising up. Can't decide where it wants to go from here. I don't know where I'm going. I only know where I've been. Yep. But RJ's still missing. I hope they didn't like kidnap him down there in the Dominican. We'll have to end up scraping together uh, The bounty for him. Falling. Still can't get above this, back above the 9 and the 20 here. It's trying. Yeah, pretty much, Hassan. Choppiness. There's the rise. And fall. That was a big whoosh. Took the short on 5 micros. Doesn't, pull back on me. Hit that band. Oh, ouch. Stopped out. Dang. Awesome, John. That sounds like good goals. Bad trading there on that trade. Bad, bad, bad. No, because I shouldn't have never taken that purple candle. If you look at that purple candle, it drew me in, but it was band to band. It hit the third band. The chance of reversal there instead of continuation was so high. And it gave me two chances to get out at break even before it blew up. And then not take this is a signal to go back up, and you can see it's working. And I got deer in the headlights after getting stopped out like that, and I didn't take it back up. Still rising up. Not sure why for a second there I sounded like Bill Cosby. I heard he was going to start touring again. Pulls back. Yeah. Touches the nine. I don't like it when they touch the nine. And see how it retreats off the nine. Still kind of want to take this. Decided not to. Let's see what it does. $864. Better high. It is. It's the highest we've been since Friday the 27th. Had that huge move down. Took it short here. I'm late though. And yep, I'm gonna get stopped. I like that purple candle there, but maybe come on back down for me, baby. But I was late by a lot. Oh wow, it's 4 points late, which is stupid. Yep, I got stopped out. Bad trading today. That was the one I wanted. Didn't take it. Bill Cosby, ace. Bouncing back off the 9. Let's see. Gold's had some nice bounces. That mid-range. Ultravon still falling. Copper double topping. Oil pulling back after almost, well, did it. Hit 74.99. Couldn't get up to 75. My guess is Bitcoin's made it back above 100K. Oh, yeah, up to 101. Still going. Does it want 21,900? Oop, there's a little spill back down. There's a nice whip down. That's a good setup. I should have recognized it. Up, 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 up. There. Yeah, it would have been nice, but yeah, it's okay. About a half an hour to go in our first stream of the year. Trying to form a purple. Nope, can't get below the 9. Now it's trying. Sandwich between the 9 and the 20 here. There's a break of the 20. Big candle now, 12.5 points. Back above the 20. Finishes below, but taking the short. There it goes. Out. So I got 9 points on that. Bounces off the band, so I got out, and you can see I got out at the right time. It's coming all the way back. I shouldn't say I got out at the right time. The right time would have been when I was up like 13 points and not 9, but that's okay. Yeah, somewhere around there. I'm not sure the exact, but yeah, 8 to 10. And it's supposed to taper off here. Yeah, it's our biggest storm in years here. Got more snow when I used to live back in Reading, Pennsylvania. It was weird. You could have a year where you might only get 6 inches, and then there'd be another year where you get 90. There was one year when I was living there, we got a storm like every Wednesday. It was weird. Every Wednesday for 2 months. And one of the storms dropped 34 inches. Taking the short. It's dumb. There we go. It's that band. Should have got out when I hit the band. There we go. Come on. We're out. 7 points and we're back to green. I should have stayed in. That's okay. Green is good. It's only by $29.66, but it's green. Yeah, I love snow. Yeah, if I could pick the perfect place to live, it'd be a house built in the woods, away from everybody, in a place that's snow where you get snow 6 months out of the year. As long as it has um, good internet, I could just stock up a freezer, buy like half a cow or a full cow, stock up a freezer for 6 months, not have to go out, just be able to sit by a big old picture window at the computer, big old recliner, watch it snow, do my computer stuff, my trading. You know, maybe when you look out the window, you might see a deer or some other little animal in the snow. Drink a cup of hot chocolate. Doesn't really fit the keto thing, but sometimes you gotta make exceptions. Try to pop up. We don't grade on it, USC. I don't think any English teachers have joined our group. Yeah, all of a sudden we're gotten real kind of choppy. Ooh, there's a pop. Back up to 883 half. 892. Jumps back. 'Coming down. Bounces off the 9. Well, there's a whip down. Again tries to bounce off that 9. Coming down again, though. Ooh, I'm short, but I got in late. And it bounced off the 20. I'm in with 5 micros. I didn't trust it, and then bang. How late did I get in? 4 points again. I got to be better at that. Doesn't want to go lower. Back above that 9. Yep, we're going to get stopped. And now we're back to red by 84, folks. Bad trading again on my part. I mean, it was a good signal there. That wasn't the bad trading. Getting in late and then just not getting out. Well, it's going to try and entice me again. Look at that. So if I put the stop at the top of that candle like I should have, I would have won that trade. Everyone else got really quiet. Oh, that purple candle came all wick. So I was in there like 69. It went down to 60. I could have got a good trade out of that. Okay. Yep, okay. That's coming down. Five minutes to go. What do you think? How'd the first day of first stream of 2025 go? Thank you, thank you, thank you. When I first woke up this morning, I was thinking, what? Maybe one more day. Yeah. Except Hassan, we're off on Thursday because there's no trading Thursday because of National Day of Mourning for Jimmy Carter. Depends on the month. Some days there's some months there's 22. This month will actually only be because of Jimmy Carter now. 6, 11, 15. Oh yeah, there's 20 this month. 19 next month. 21 in March. Yeah, also closed the 20th. Yep, but that's a Friday, Ace, so you don't like to take chances on a Friday. All right, folks, I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Happy to be back. We're finishing the stream red by 84 bucks, but I'm gonna still try and get that back here later on. Everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Talk to you then. Bye. Nice to be back, Ace. Thank you.
enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.